बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो हम आपके साथ जनरल नॉलेज की कुछ ऐसी एमसीक्यू शेयर करने जा रहे हैं जो अगर आप एएमसी, एएफएनएस, पीएमए, पीएन कैडेट और जितनी भी फोर्सेस की टेस्ट है अगर आप उनके पास पेपर्स में देखोगे तो आपको मोस्टली इनमें से एमसीक्यूज मिलेंगे। तो पार्ट 1 हम पहले ही अपलोड कर चुके हैं, आज का वीडियो ये पार्ट 2 है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, द अर्थ्स लार्जेस्ट ओशन इज, आंसर इज पैसिफिक ओशन। Question number 67, the Earth's second largest ocean is, answer is A, Atlantic Ocean. Question number 68, the Earth's smallest ocean is, answer is B, Arctic Ocean. The world's largest lake is, answer is B, Lake Superior. Question number 70, the hottest desert of the world is, answer is A, Sahara Desert. Question number 71, the first Secretary General of United Nations was, answer is D, Trygve Lie. Question number 72, World War I was begun in, answer is B, 1914. Question number 73, World War I was end in, answer is D, 1918. Question number 74, the World War II was begun in, answer is C, 1939. Question number 75, the World War II was end in, answer is D, 1945. Question number 76, the world's deadliest conflict was, answer is B, World War II. Question number 77, the atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on which date? Answer is B, 6 August 1945. Question number 78, what was the name of atomic bomb that dropped on the city of Hiroshima? Answer is A, Little Boy. Question number 79, the atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki on, answer is C, 9th August 1945. Question number 80, what was the name of atomic bomb that was dropped on the city of Nagasaki? Answer is D, Fate Man. Question number 86, the height of Eiffel Tower is in feet. Answer is A, 1063 feet. Question number 78, the Reuters is the news agency of Daesh state. Answer is B, United Kingdom. Question number 88, Wafa is the news agency of Daesh country. Answer is A, Palestine. Question number 89, the capital of Saudi Arabia is, answer is D, Riyadh. Question number 90, the currency of Qatar is, answer is D, Riyal. Question number 91, Organization of Islamic Cooperation was founded on, answer is D, 25th September 1969. Question number 92, the OIC was founded in, answer is D, Morocco. Question number 93, the 6th organ, Trusteeship Council of the United Nations suspended operation on the November 1, 1994 with the independence of, answer is Palau. Question number 94, the United Nations had Daesh principal organs, answer is B, 5. Question number 95, the International Monetary Fund IMF was founded on, answer is B, 27 September 1945. Question number 96, the social network site Twitter was launched on, answer is D, 15 July 2006. Question number 97, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA was formed in, answer is A, 1958. Question number 98, 8 March is observed internationally as, answer is A, Women's Day. Question number 99, 22 March is observed internationally as, answer is B, World Water Day. Question number 100, the 7th April observed is, question number 100, the 7th April is observed internationally as, answer is C, World Health Day. Question number 101, the Soviet media theory had its roots in, answer is C, German ideology. Question number 101, the monetary unit of Bangladesh is, answer is B, Taka. Question number 102, Jivika is the rural livelihoods project of which of the following state governments? Answer is B, Punjab. Question number 100, what is the capital of Vietnam? Answer is C, Hanoi. Question number 104, Hitler party which came into power in the 1933 is known as, answer is B, Nazi party. Question number 105, for which of the following disciplines is Nobel Prize awarded? A, Physics and Chemistry, B, Physiology and or Medicine, C, Literate, Peace and Economics, D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question number 106, Eritrea, which became the 182 member of the UN in 1993, is in the continent of answer is B, Africa. Question number 108. The height of all four minars of Badshah Mosque are answer is the D, 177 feet. Question number 109. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's answer is A, largest railway station. Question number 111. Who made the design of Pakistan's first stamp ticket? Answer is B, Abdur Rahman Chugtai. Question number 112. Which bay of the Atlantic between northern Spain and western France is noted for its rough seas and high tides? Answer is B, Bay of Arizona. Question number 113. Thomas Cup is associated with which game? Answer is B. Answer is A, badminton. Question number 114. The largest arms importer of the world is A. Answer is C, India. Question number 115. Arena is airline of which country? Answer is D, Afghanistan. Question number 116. FFC stands for? Answer is B, Film Finance Corporation. Question number 117. What name is given to members of the Roman Catholic Society of Jesus? Answer is B, Jesuits. Question number 118. Epsom, England is the place associated with? Answer is A, horse racing. Question number 119. Who was the first person to address the United Nations in Hindi? Answer is C, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 120. The availability of cash and other cash-like marketable instruments that are useful in purchase and investments are commonly known as? Answer is D, liquidity. Question number 121. When did Fatima Jinnah join All India Muslim League? Answer is A, 1939. Question number 122. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on Louis Vashkansky was conducted in? Answer is B, 1967. Question number 123. Which sign of the zodiac is also called the water bearer? Answer is D, Aquarius. Question number 125. Which of the following is not a missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization? Answer is A, Shaurya. Question number 126. The third SAARC ministerial level meet on poverty held in which among the following countries? Answer is C, Nepal. Question number 127. Which common childhood illness related to shingles is also called varicella? Answer is D, chickenpox. Question number 128. Of which Caribbean country is Montego Bay the main tourist center? Answer is C, Jamaica. Question number 129. The name of which Roman god means shining father in Latin? Answer is B, Jupiter. Question number 130. The largest peninsula in the world is? Answer is A, Arabia. Question number 131. The 16th NAM Non-Aligned Movement Summit 2012 was held in? Answer is A, Tehran. Question number 132. Which one of the following countries made in an exist from Kyoto Protocol? Answer is C, Canada. Question number 133. Quaid-e-Azam's mother tongue was? Answer is A, Gujarati. Question number 134. Which SAARC member country has largest literacy rate? Answer is B, Sri Lanka. Question number 135. Pakistan's national flag was prepared by? Answer is D, Amiruddin Kadwai. Question number 136. How many counters has each player in a game of backgammon? Answer is A, 15. Question number 137. Which country is the second largest arms exports of the world? Answer is B, Russia. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और साथ साथ बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि अगली बार कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड की जाए उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफिज़।